Okay, we're starting? Okay, so this is the design test 1, the Anaconda. You have filled out this, these two blank boxes under your hypothesis. If you have not done that yet, pause this video now and fill those out. Okay, once those are filled out, we've got our two materials, the E-can and the smooth floor. There's the smooth floor and there's the E-can. Okay, experiment number 1. Push the E-can slowly across the smooth floor. 2. Watch the E-can slowly travel until it stops by itself. Let's do those number 1 and 2 right now. Okay, it stopped. Now let's take a look at the next part of the experiment. Number 3, push the E-can rapidly across the smooth floor. Number 4, watch the E-can travel until it stops. Okay, so the experiment is done. If you want to watch any of those experiments again, you can rewind this video. But now let's take a look at the questions. What did the E-can do when pushed slowly? Okay, you can pause the video and answer that question. Number 2, what did the E-can do when pushed rapidly? Okay, pause the video and answer that question. Number 3, how is the behavior of the E-can different from that of an ordinary can? What this means, if you just had an ordinary can and you pushed it, what would happen to the ordinary can? And then when you saw that what happened with the E-can, how is that different? That's what you need to explain for number 3. The conclusion, let's look at number 1 in the conclusion. Why do you think the E-can acts differently from an ordinary can? Okay, you didn't get to see this E-can, but I'm going to explain. You didn't get to feel it or touch it or anything. But let's take a closer look at this E-can to answer conclusion number 1 down here. Okay, so we could see that there is, on the bottom, there is a rubber band with a paper clip, and the rubber band is going through that hole. And on this side, there's the rubber band and a paper clip to kind of hold it. And inside, there's something inside that's also in there, and it feels kind of like, definitely it's got something inside, and it kind of feels mostly empty, but something that's shaking inside. Okay, so that's what you didn't feel, so you could answer that question as best as you can. Number 2, what was the potential energy? When was the potential energy highest and why? You don't have your lab logs with you, so let me remind you. Potential energy is energy that is stored energy. It's not being used yet, but it's about to be used. That's potential energy, so please answer that question. Number 3, when was the kinetic energy the highest and why? Remember, kinetic energy is energy that is involves motion. So when was that the highest? And explain why. Number 4, where is the potential energy the highest on a roller coaster? So think of an Anaconda or any roller coaster that you can imagine, and where would the potential energy or that stored energy, where would it be the highest? And then number 5, where is the kinetic energy the highest on a roller coaster? Think of the Anaconda or any other roller coaster and explain where you think the kinetic energy would be the highest. Okay? Again, this is worth 20 points if it's complete. So please complete it, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Press the red button.